A2 Flash Run 3. Got a hanger box of 2017-2018 Prestige Basketball. You get 60 cards and 2 Micro Etch rookie oranges. So, yeah, pretty good value for 10 bucks. So, let's see what we get. Should just be one really fat pack. So there we go. I'll save the box. So here we go. A lot of cards. So I'll probably go through the base pretty quick. Alright, so let's just take some off. We got Marquise Chris, Frank Jackson, Aldridge, Justin Patton, Jamal Crawford, Dwayne Bacon rookie, Towns, Mitchell rookie, that's a nice one, Paul George, Ivan Rabb, nice Mitchell there, Bradley Beal, Tyler Lydon, Ariza. These cards are all flipped around. Tadosic, CJ Miles, Isaac rookie, Melo, Tony Bradley, Otto Porter, nice Jason Tatum rookie, that's nice. Got an Iggy. Let me just see where the inserts stop. Alright, I'll save the inserts and stuff for last. Gallinari, Crab, Waiters, Simmons, Wade, Biombo, Conley, Harris, Howard, Covington, Lee, Kyrie, Matthews, Schroeder, Oladipo, Deli, KCP, Griffin, Kilpatrick, Muscala, Holiday, Burks, Justin Holiday, and Brook Lopez. So that's the rookies and base. Now on to the fun stuff. So we got a Wayne Selden. We got a Luke Kennard. These are the rain parallels or something different. Kennard. Nerlens Noel. And Devon Reed. We got a Ben Simmons Hardcourt Heroes. Jarrett Allen rookie class. We got a Markelle Fultz highlight reel. James Harden stars in the NBA. Zach Collins rookie class. We got a D'Angelo Russell Hardcourt Heroes. Karl Malone all-time greats. We got a DeMar DeRozan stat stars for the PC. We got a Sterling Brown Micro Etch orange. Our other one is Tyler Lydon, so not too great on those. And then a nice Bam Adebayo rookie class parallel for the Heat PC and the Bam PC. So not too bad. Happy with some of those. Didn't do too great on the oranges, but overall I think it's a pretty good value for 10 bucks. Got a lot of good rookies inserts. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you.